Thank you for joining us for today's presentation of modern residential wiring. Before we begin our presentation today, I'd like to share a little information about GW Publisher. As a trusted educational partner for more than 100 years, GW continues to operate with a vision that began in 1921 to provide the highest quality content at a great value and take the best care of our customers. We share your passion and commitment to prepare learners for success in life and career. GW collaborates with outstanding authors, trustworthy reviewers, and industry-focused trade associations to deliver content with effective pedagogy aligned to national standards. This team of experts across career, technical, and health education ensures that students have the right mix of knowledge and skills for success. Every GW title is built to help support student success with powerful content written by expert educators and industry experts aligned to standards. Our content, delivered in both print and digital options, is designed with pedagogical tools to promote applied, hands-on practice and authentic learning through projects, procedures, and skills. And of course, every GW adoption includes ongoing instructor support, from our time-saving resources like detailed lesson plans and PowerPoints, assessments, consultation to find the best package for your school, and professional development opportunities with our national content specialists. The online instructor resources provide instructors with time-saving preparation tools such as answer keys, editable lesson plans, and other teaching aids. Some features include lesson plans and activities. Experienced teachers have developed detailed lesson plans and creative activities to accompany the textbooks. There's no need to spend days recreating your courses. They have done it for you. PowerPoint presentations. Editable slides for each chapter engage a variety of learning styles, improve student focus, encourage discussion, and provide visual impact. Assessments with assessment software with question banks, which include hundreds of matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer questions to assess student knowledge of the content in each chapter. GW Assessment is a cloud-based assessment platform that seamlessly integrates with a school's LMS. No more downloads, uploads, or imports needed. One quick click takes you directly into GW Assessment. Create, customize, assign, and print pre-built questions and tests to meet the needs of your course. Confirm student comprehension through hundreds of questions in matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer format. Enjoy the auto-grading feature that saves you time, improves your efficiency, and helps with your overall course management. When integrated in an LMS, easily measure student knowledge as grades and results flow right into your LMS gradebook. Gain valuable insights into student performance with advanced reporting delivered to your LMS. Stay current with continuous platform updates that ensure your class always has access to the latest assessments and features. GW is connected and committed to helping you achieve your teaching goals while students master learning. Our print titles are also available as a digital experience that includes the full ebook, digital versions of workbook or lab manual, as well as any accompanied media, study tools, and assessments. The Digital Companion is an additional online resource for students. The site includes e-flashcards, vocabulary matching activities, vocabulary games, and review activities. Now, let's dive into the textbook. Modern Residential Wiring presents the latest electrical wiring installation and repair practices in accordance with the 2026 National Electrical Code, NEC. Ideal for introductory courses covering the basics of residential wiring, this text uses clear and simple language to provide essential information regarding safety, electrical theory, tools, and electrical systems. Modern residential wiring covers not only the how, but also the why of safe electrical wiring practices. Although the content is concerned primarily with residential installations, many of the same concepts and principles may be applied to commercial and industrial electrical construction. The chapters are arranged in a logical sequence. The order of instruction follows the normal order in which an installation is made. However, each chapter is designed to stand alone and may be studied independently to suit specific needs. The following changes were made to the 14th edition of Modern Residential Wiring to strengthen the integrated learning solution and to remain current with professional codes. Content and tables have been updated to correspond with the 2026 version of the National Electrical Code. All learning outcomes, summary bullets, and end-of-chapter questions and activities were reviewed and aligned with each one-head section in every chapter, allowing for instructor flexibility in presenting and assigning textbook content in the classroom. Modern residential wiring is correlated to electrical credentials offered by NOCTI. Each chapter opener contains a chapter outline, a list of learning outcomes, and a list of technical terms. The chapter outline summarizes the topics that will be covered in the chapter. Learning outcomes clearly identify the knowledge and skills to be gained when the chapter is completed. These outcomes are labeled and correlated to related assessment elements to facilitate reporting and remediation. Technical terms list the key words to be learned in the chapter. Introduction provides an overview and preview of the chapter content. Additional features are used throughout the body of each chapter to further learning and knowledge. Safety notes alert you to potentially dangerous materials and practices. Code alerts point out specific items from typical building codes. Procedures are highlighted throughout the textbook to provide clear instructions for hands-on service activities. Pro tips provide advice and guidance that is especially applicable for on-the-job situations. Thinking Green features highlight key items related to sustainability, energy efficiency, and environmental issues. End-of-chapter material provides an opportunity for review and application of concepts. A concise summary provides an additional review tool and reinforces key learning objectives. This helps you focus on important concepts presented in the text. Know and understand questions enable you to demonstrate knowledge, identification, and comprehension of chapter material. Apply and analyze questions, extend learning, and develop your abilities to use learned material in new situations and to break down material into its component parts. Critical thinking questions develop higher-order thinking, problem-solving, personal, and workplace skills. The supplemental workbook provides minds-on practice with questions and activities. Each chapter corresponds to the text and reinforces key concepts and applied knowledge. The digital textbook and online workbook build student knowledge. Videos and drill and practice activities help your students remain engaged and learn effectively. GW Assessment gives students easy access to assignments, tests, and quizzes, instant feedback, and grades. Illustrations have been designed to clearly and simply communicate the specific topic. The illustrations should be carefully examined as they will often clarify and explain the more difficult principles of electricity and the requirements of a national electrical code. The digital platform encourages application and discovery. A virtual toolbox contains toolbox e-flashcards and activity worksheets to practice identifying the wide array of hand and power tools, specialty wiring tools, devices, blueprint symbols, and more that residential electricians may encounter during their careers. Video and animation libraries enrich learning. Videos and animations illustrate concepts, processes, and the use of various tools and machinery. We are dedicated to creating exceptional professional development experiences that ignite innovation and drive student success. Through cutting-edge training and instructional design specifically for educators, GW can support you with the tools and knowledge needed to excel. Extend learning, build student interest, and create an engaging atmosphere for your class. Visit our Tools for Educators site to download printable activities, infographics, and posters along with student-centered instructional strategy videos ready for use today. A well-prepared educator is at the cornerstone of every successful learning environment, and GW is here to support you every step of the way. By providing tools that range from simple, user-friendly training resources that directly align to your textbook to high-impact instructional practices, we want every educator to feel confident using GW resources as a powerful gateway to student-centered learning. If you have additional questions or need assistance pertaining to the GW product, please contact us at GW Support or Customer Service and visit our knowledge-based articles and how-to-guides at support.g-w.com. You may also submit a ticket through our support center by going to support.g-w.com/new, filling out the required fields, and creating your ticket. In addition, we have a number of knowledge-based articles and how-to guides that you can explore by visiting our support center. You may select a category. You may choose your specific LMS and read the articles of your choice. Please visit us at support.g-w.com to learn more. Every product we create at GW is informed by educators who teach the course it's designed for. We look for teachers or industry professionals who are experts in their field to thoroughly review our content before it's published. If you're interested in working with the GW team to develop new products and improve existing ones, visit www.g-w.com/engage with us to learn more. Stay up to date on the latest from GW when you follow us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And our new GW blog will cover important issues and insights across the career, technical, and health education fields, new trends and technologies that are transforming the workforce, and classroom-tested tips for CTE, health, and PE educators. Visit www.g-w.com to learn more about modern residential wiring for your course.